Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to pin the Gmail to Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Gmail. Once you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, okay, navigate to the left right side of that. You can see their open file location. Please click on it, and the moment you do it, you would be redirected to this kind of location where here you need to proceed. At the top of that, you can see there a cat icon. Click on it, or you can simply click on this copy icon, close the window, make a right click here, and go with the spaced icon. The moment you do it, you would be able to create a shortcut here, the desktop. And in order to pin this Gmail to the taskbar, all you need to do is you need to make a right click, and here, please proceed to this option called Show More Options. Now, eventually, you would be able to open up a window like this. Please proceed with this option called Pin to Taskbar, which is next to Scan with Microsoft Defender. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to pin it then here in the Windows 11 taskbar. Okay, so this is good for easy access, especially if you would like to open for messages, or if you would like to send for messages in a particular account, you would be able to access it here at the taskbar easily. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Please don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on pinning your taskbar in your Windows 11. Pinning your Gmail, sorry, in your Windows 11 taskbar. So thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.